Good morning children. Welcome to class 5 computer. So we are going to start with a new lesson, advanced features in MS Word 2007 children. Okay. So in the previous lesson and all you saw about formatting, that is editing the text, making it bold, italic, underline, increase or decrease the font size, color change, like that you have learned. So here in this MS Word only we will learn advanced features children. What extra we can do in this. Okay, so the first one is your finding the text children. See, if you have written a novel for 700 pages, okay, 700 pages you have written. So you want to change some of the words. So we will be scrolling out all the which word we want. We have to check for the page, no children. So here you have an easy option to find your text. So how we can find the text means, see, just I have opened one file. In that home tab, go to editing. You have this find, replace, select, like this option children. Okay, so in this you will go and click the find. So what it says, find text in the document. Okay, find text in the document. I am clicking here. See, find what? Three or tabs are there. Find, replace, go to. So find what? So I am just giving the word child there. Okay, so it will go and find over there children. Okay, finding child. Okay, so it will find next. See, it's been shown over here. See, this been highlighted over here. So the next word I am again clicking find next. See, down one more child is there. See, first one we saw here. The second one is shown over here. The third one, it's not one more. It is showing over here. See, child. Okay, this is the word. Okay, again one more word. This is, you can easily find it and see the word. Okay, if you have so much text you have typed means. Now one more thing, I don't want this child, I have to type it as children. Okay, I have to type it as children. So what we can do, so here one more option you have there, that is replace. So click on this replace. So it is asking replace with what? So I'll just we will type here children. Okay, CHILDREN, children. Okay, we have so many options are being given children. Replace, replace all, find next, cancel. I am telling only one text you want to replace means one word, the child, one place. That time you can just give replace. See, you can give replace. Otherwise, you can click for all that and give replace all. Okay? See, observe here children, every word has become children. Replace all. See, observe here, children. Okay, one more, as it is been done 2 times, it is come like that. So children, like this. Are you getting? This one like this you can make. Okay, so one more word I want to change. See, dear parent is there. I am selecting this word. Okay, so first go to find. Okay, just keep it, go to find. I want to find the word parent. Okay, here I want to see the word parent. See, parent I have typed. So where it is showing, see here children, parent. So find next. So here it is being highlighted over there. So I wanted to change it to replace with parents. PARENTS. So when I click enter, okay, so replace. See, observe here children, this has been replaced with parents. can observe over there it is being replaced with parents. Now I am telling replace all the words with parent as parents. So I can click over here replace all. Okay, so it tells 8 was there, so it has changed the 8 places to parents. So one more S has been added over there. Okay, so close. So see, observe here parents. This place it has changed parents. This place also it has changed parents. See, like this. See here, observe here. This place also it has changed. Okay, so what we have learned today is what is finding the text and then replacing the text with other word, or you can add, or if you don't want you can delete over there. Okay, so this is the two things we have learned, children. So see you in the next class. Thank you.